Proudly presented by Smart Hire. In this video, Smart Hire will be demonstrating how to start and use a Red Roo hydraulic trencher, used for digging narrow tracks for either running pipe or electrical conduit and for retaining walls. First, as with any large equipment, start by looking at all the safety warnings and instructional guides, being sure to fully customize yourself with the machine. Also note that the parking brake must be fully removed before driving. To prepare for starting, check that the fuel tank is full with the required fuel and that the cap is securely tightened. Then be sure to engage the choke if the engine is starting cold. Finally, either turn the electrical start switch or firmly pull the pull cord in order to start the machine. Once started, fully disengage the choke and adjust the throttle lever into the highest position. Fourth, check the hydraulic dig arm is functional by pulling the left hand lever back to bring the arm up and forward in order to bring the dig arm down. Next, check the dig chain control handle is fully functional, moving the engagement handle right in order to reverse the dig chain, and then moving it left in order to engage the dig chain. Next, just familiarize yourself with the machine's track drive handles, moving both of them forward in order to drive forward, and then moving both backward in order to drive the machine backward. Then, diverge both handles with the left side up to move left, and bring them the opposite direction with the right side up in order to move right. Finally, just adjust the reversing speed knobs below the track drive handles, being aware that all cutting should be done while in reverse. When done, simply reverse the setup process by detaching the reverse speed knobs, raising the hydraulic trenching arm, lowering the throttle to an idle speed, and turning off the starter key. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.